Firstdrop, Bella Copia, Adelaide Hills, Arneis. From a vineyard not too far from here in Port Wollonga, just up in Kaipo, about 380 metres above sea level, a wicked site, perfect for growing Arneis. We make this more of a riesling style. It's all about the purity of the fruit, minerality of the site. Dry, refreshing, lots of pithy fruit characters, nashi, pear, grapefruit. Forget about G&T this summer. This is the perfect aperitivo tease. Great with obviously seafood, salt and pepper squid, chilli crabs. Oh, refreshing, quench any thirst this summer.
Love you give me, thrills me all the time.